If your vacation rental weekly schedule feels reactive and chaotic, this simple structure will help you regain control and reduce stress. Because without a clear weekly rhythm, you're not running a business, you're constantly putting out fires. You ever feel like you're constantly busy in your vacation rental, but never actually ahead? You're not alone. Most hosts are winging their week completely, and it's costing them time, money, and their sanity. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix that with one simple shift. Hi, I'm Jerry McPherson, and I've spent over 30 years in hospitality, and I help vacation rental owners get better results with less stress. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through why your week feels chaotic, what a proper weekly rhythm actually looks like, and how to build one that works for you. And by the end, you'll know exactly how to stop winging it and start running your rental like a real business. So you're busy, but not in control. You're doing everything: guest messages, cleaning coordination, pricing, reviews, all of it. But it feels random. And honestly, that makes sense. No one teaches you when to do things, so you just react. Whatever pops up gets handled first. So here's what you should do instead. Stop thinking in tasks and start thinking in time blocks. Your week needs structure. For example, instead of checking pricing every day, review it once or twice a week. Same day, same time. It's a small change, but could make a big difference. Give each of your days a job. Every day feels the same, which means nothing gets done properly. You're switching tasks constantly, messaging, then pricing, then cleaners, then reviews, and your brain never settles. So give each day a clear focus. Think of your week like this. Monday is for numbers. Tuesday is for guest experience. Wednesday is for operation. Thursday is for marketing. Friday is for prep. So instead of randomly updating your listings, you do it every Thursday. No debate. This is where it gets interesting. When your brain knows what today is for, it relaxes. Stop mixing reactive and proactive work. Did you know that most hosts spend 90% of their time reacting? Guests feel urgent. Messages feel urgent. Everything feels urgent. Separate reactive work comes from proactive work. Reactive equals guest issues and messages. Proactive equals pricing, improvements, growths. You need both, but not at the same time. So look at it this way. For example, morning equals guest, communications, afternoon equals business building. That one split alone can change your whole week. Repetition beats motivation. Now, most hosts rely on motivation. I'll do it when I have time. And that rarely works because your schedule is unpredictable, so everything gets pushed. Build a repeatable weekly rhythm. Same structure every week. Not perfect, just consistent. Think of a hotel. They don't reinvent the week, they repeat systems. And that's why they scale. And while most hosts stay stuck. So what's the most chaotic day in your week right now? Let me know in the comments. So I want you to start simple and then refine. This is where a lot of hosts overcomplicate things. They tried to build the perfect system. You think you need everything mapped out. You don't. Start simple. Pick 3 to 5 key days. Assign one focus to each. Run it for a week, and then adjust it as you go. Even just Monday pricing, Wednesday operations, Friday preparation. That's enough to start. Progress beats perfection every time. So here are your key takeaways. Busy doesn't mean control. Give each day one clear job. Separate reactive and proactive. Repeat your week, don't reinvent it. Start simple and build from there. If you want help putting this into action, join the free training on the 5 biggest mistakes vacation rental owners make. It breaks down the systems behind all of this, and you can find the link in the description below. And if you're not ready for that, grab the 7-Day Vacation Rental Jumpstart PDF. It walks you through building your foundation step by step. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. And if you found this helped you a lot, hey, feel free to buy us a coffee. It helps keep us motivated. In the next video, we're going to get practical. Your first 30 days of real systems, not vibes. You don't need to have it all figured out. You just need the right next step. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.